right, we just put the CPU in. It's I checked 3 times. Okay, that needs to. There we go. Jesus.
That's it, dude.
This is supposed to pop off. Okay. Thumbs up.
Success.
We're starting off good.
Like the thickness.
30.
Is
Is that the right side? No, I don't think it is. Ram done.
Nice.
Ram done.
Here you go.
Alright. I just don't know which way it's supposed to go. It looks like it's this way because there's a notch right there. Oh. There's only one. There should. Hello. Editing Brad here. Okay, so this is the part where I waste 30 to 45 minutes trying to figure out how to put this thing back on the motherboard. And all I really had to do was flip it around the other way. And I don't know if I was tired. I don't know if I was just confused. It just took way too long to put this little cover back on so I can get it going. And this probably wasted the most time out of the whole project. Okay, Logan, we can probably pause this part. Alright, so we got the motherboard in, connected most of the cables, and now we're gonna do the cooler. What's the next step? Is it just put it in?
Yeah, just put thermocase on and put it on.
Let's grab the fans.
It comes with like a controller, right? Change the color?
You can just do that with the motherboard. It's not lame.
That is kind of mine has a controller.
Like so. And then plug this one in. Or plug this one in. Gotta make sure.
Yeah, that thing is clean, bro. Look at it.
It's shiny. Get the shininess.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Okay. You do have to do.
Wait. We're gonna.
It doesn't matter which way it goes, right?
Manual. It says.
Yes, it says.
I think it's on now.
It's on, then get the other side on too. So.
I think it's on. Yeah, that side's on. If this side wants to not be on, I'm gonna do it with that. Yes. Okay. Fan 1 installed. You're gonna need to edit some music or something in the video. Alrighty.
How'd you want to do this?
think we can find a zip tie. Let's stand it up. It's my baby. I need to be gentle. Okay, let's figure out the best way. Let's maybe push them through up here. What is this on? Is it trapped on something? Or is that just connected?
It's trapped on something.
Okay. You're all fucking tangled. Hella dumb. Bro, professional. I already looked at it.
You look at it? It's big, bro.
Big. It's healthy. Sapphire. Look at that. Pulse. Oh my goodness. Doesn't that look sexy? Three hole slots. Okay, we might need to set this baby down. Back in the box you go. Sweaty hands. Not that sweaty. This bitch is fucking huge. This is the hardest part. I don't want to fucking click it in. It's scary.
No, I think it's in. Is it? This thing?
This is it's supposed to hold it up, yeah. Well, that's what it's here for. It's majority decoration. Yeah. Can you hold this up? That might be cross-threaded. Don't fuck up now, Brad. Alright.
Okay. Can I set up your cables and stuff?
Yeah. Success.
Okay. Plug it in. You got it.
Let me check to make sure that the power supply is on. Eco mode off. Fucking eco mode. I'm using all the fucking power today. And probably forever if it boots up. Ooh! Explodes. And we all die. Logan first.
Ooh.
That's a good sign.
Yeah. You want to connect it to your monitor?
Well, that's a good idea.
Looks like everything's running, dude.
Let's see.
Except you.
Except.
Oh, I think it's running. Yeah, there's a few fans are running. Looks good, dude.
Where didn't take the tidy up floor. We were busy. We had more important things to do. Ooh. The fans just go faster and faster and faster.
You don't know where the.
I just
HDMI
got it. You didn't look for a plug?
Ooh.
Maybe plug a keyboard or mouse into it.
Maybe we should try using HDMI.
Alright, it booted up. I tried DisplayPort first, but that shit didn't want to work. So I plugged in HDMI and then now I'm updating the BIOS.
Got this bitch quiet now. Made some fan controlled shits. And now he's quiet.